Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about Kafka brokers and some other related topic with Kafka brokers. So for Kafka brokers, first point is a Kafka cluster is composed of multiple brokers. A Kafka cluster can have multiple Kafka brokers. Kafka broker is just a server, but in Kafka they called broker because they receive and send data. Each broker is identified with its ID. A Kafka broker is identified with an ID which is an integer. For example, in this block diagram we are having broker 101, 102 and 103 in our cluster. Each broker contains certain topic partition. Each broker is going to contain only certain topic partition. In this block diagram we can see we have broker 101, 102 and 103, and for topic A we have 3 partition: partition 0, partition 1 and partition 2, and all these partitions are spread along with all the brokers within our cluster. That means your data is going to be distributed across all the brokers inside your cluster. After connecting to any broker, also called a bootstrap broker, you will be connected to the entire cluster. Kafka client have a smart mechanism for that. It means after you connected with any Kafka broker, also called a bootstrap broker, then the client will be connected and know how to connect to the entire Kafka cluster, because the Kafka client have a smart mechanism for this. That means you don't need to know in advance all the brokers in your cluster. You just need to know how to connect to one broker, and then your client will automatically connect to the rest of the broker within your cluster. A good number to get started is 3 broker, and but some big cluster have over 100 brokers also. Next topic is brokers and topics. Let's talk about how Kafka broker and topic are related. Example of topic A with 3 partition and topic B with 2 partition. In block diagram we can see we have our topic A with 3 partition and a topic B with 2 partition. Okay, and we have 3 Kafka brokers, 101, 102 and 103. So here we can see our partitions are spread along all the brokers in our cluster. Note, data is distributed and broker 103 does not have any topic B data. In this example we can see that data is distributed and it's normal that broker 103 does not have any topic B data partition, because in 2 partition have already been placed on our Kafka broker. Okay, so topic B have only 2 partition and these partition are already distributed with broker 102 and 103. In this example, as we see, the data and your partitions is going to be distributed across all brokers, and this is what makes Kafka scales, and this is actually called horizontal scaling. Let's talk about the Kafka broker discovery mechanism. Uh, every Kafka broker is also called a bootstrap server. Each Kafka broker in your cluster is also called a bootstrap server. As we can see in this block diagram, we have 5 bootstrap server in our Kafka cluster. So in this block diagram, as we can see, we are having 5 bootstrap server or Kafka broker in our cluster. That means that you only need to connect to one broker and the Kafka client will know how to connect to the entire cluster. This block diagram, as we can see here, in step 1, Kafka client is going to initiate the connection with broker 101. Okay, and then in step 2, if the connection is successful, the broker 101 is going to return the list of all the brokers in the cluster. So if the connection is successful, then the broker 101 return the list of all the brokers and also the metadata of the brokers also. Okay, the Kafka client can able to connect with list of all the brokers available inside your cluster. So in this way, your Kafka client can able to connect with all the brokers inside your Kafka cluster. Each broker know about all brokers topic and partition metadata. Each broker have all metadata information of all brokers in the cluster. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video.